Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit raw photos in Darktable. So let's go started. So this ensures your edits maintain physical accuracy and high dynamic range from start to finish. So first what we need to do is import an image. So we go here to the light table and then on the left side you will see import, tap, and right here select copy and import. So I will do that. And right here, you now select some images, raw images. So I have a bunch of them. So I need to select one. Okay, like that. This is from the mountains. Now, okay, like that. Now we will go here on the right side, on the right top side, and click on dark room. So click on that. Okay, so we need to select image and then dark room, like so. So we need these modules from the foundation of your raw edit. So right here on the right side, we have this quick access panel. Right here, we will select three things, adjust three things. So we have first one is exposure. So it's at the top sometimes, but right now I have it down here. So exposure is the first thing. Aim for your subject to be correctly exposed, even if the highlights look blown or shadows look flat initially. So something like that maybe. Now we need to do color calibration. So use this for white balance. It use modern Cat 16 signs to ensure colors stay natural when shifting temperature. So temperature is right over here, and we can play with that a little bit how we like it. So maybe this more yellowish thing, it would be perfect for this image, I guess, that we get these clouds right here more exposed. And then we need to do, so then we can use this tone equalizer a little bit. So mask contrast compensation and mask exposure compensation. Um, then what we can do is we can denoise an image. We have this lens correction also. We can diffuse or sharp model with presets, like we can sharp the image a little bit, denoise it. So here we can sharp a little bit, amount, threshold we can adjust. Then we have here also denoise and strength. And for the last editing, we have color grading, so we can use color balance right here. We can play a little bit with the colors over here. You can really focus just on shadows or just on highlights. Then also we can for on grading, so shadows again. And when you are happy with the image, we will go here to the left side where you will see the export tab. So click on that. Now you can select where you want to save that. You can set here file format, quality, then you can set size in pixels. And yeah, that's basically it. And when you are done, just hit start export. So this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.